Welcome to Skills with Santosh. This is the Royal Enfield Adventure Riding Tutorial Series. This last one, hey, we're having a bit of fun. This one's called How to Look Awesome. Now you've got all these new skills, you've practiced your water crossings, you're killer at ruts, and you're amazing at up and down hills. You're going to want to show them off. So to get that great shot, here's a few handy tips to look good when shooting pictures of motorbikes. Okay, step one, pick an awesome location. Himalayas. Tick. Step two, make sure your riding kit fits properly. Decent riding kit, well fitted, always makes pictures look better. If you're taking a picture with you off the bike, don't leave your jacket draped over the handlebars, it just looks messy. Nice clean shot, helmet on the floor, always looks professional.
If you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good, you're gonna ride good. And that is very imperative in terms of having good pictures in this manner, because you need to look good on a motorcycle. So always assume the body position that we basically talk about a lot in this tutorial, so very important.
Next up, we want some action. Number one at the top of my list for cool things to take pictures of is motorbikes splashing through puddles. River crossings, puddles, muddy bog holes, whatever you can find, charge through that with a smile on your face and a fist bump on the other side. And that brings me to another point. It's not a perfume advert. Smile, be happy. This is one of the most awesome things you can do in the world. I don't want to see any moody photographs. Finally, get out there and experiment. Take loads of pictures of you and your mates to remember the trips you've had. Motorbike adventuring is one of the most exciting things you can possibly do on the planet. And here in the Himalayas, there's only one bike to do it on.